This video will show you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Using your cursor, select the cells that you want to merge. After selecting it, click this Merge Cells icon. You can see it's already merged. Let's try it one more time. This time I'm going to select a couple of rows and then just click this again. You can click this and you can also click this as well. And then here you can see the options, how you want the cells to be merged, either vertically, horizontally, and you can also click this to unmerge the cells that you've already merged by. By this time, I'm going to select this Merge Vertically. As you can see, it's already merged. Once more, select the cells that you want to merge. At the top, click Format, and then Merge Cells. And then select how you want your cells to be merged. This time I'm going to add borders around the cells that I've merged so it'll be more visible. This one as well. And this one too. And that's how you merge cells in Google Sheets. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you on the next one.